what's up guys? Welcome to the RockstarFlipper Amazon training video course. This course is gonna take you A to Z, all the way from start to finish, beginning with your first ever Amazon listing, all the way through your sales, your feedback, your metrics, transferring money, growing, expanding, and just getting rolling on Amazon. Whether you choose FBM, FBA, or any other path to success, retail arbitrage, online arbitrage, thrifting, we're gonna talk about all of it, and I'm gonna also include videos from over in the other courses on places to source and find merchandise, including what we just spoke about, retail arbitrage, online arbitrage, and things of that nature. And so we'll go over all of that video by video, but we're gonna start video one with signing up for your account from day one. And I just wanna thank you guys for signing up for this course. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate, message me, email me, ask me anytime, day or night. You can also ask inside of the group, which you are now a member of for joining this training class. And included in your email, you'll also get all of the bolos and social media, which will help you grow and expand the list of items that you should be buying and selling, and also growing your business on social media. So let's get started.